Welcome to the Birdsafe Toys channel. I am Debbie, and in this video, I am going to showcase the gray Cockatiel Snuggler. This toy is suitable for small to large birds. It comes standard with a stainless steel quick link. It is made on 1-inch plastic chain, which can be upgraded to stainless steel chain for an additional charge. It is made using blizzard fleece, which is tied to each link of chain. There is no stitching on this toy. As always, observe your bird playing with toys to make sure that it's the appropriate size and that the bird is playing with it safely. And have a happy bird day.